So your sunroof isn't opening and closing, and it's making a grrr sound. You got to take off this center console, or the overhead center console. The way you do that, you get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, and underneath the sunglass holder, there are going to be two openings for screws. Get your screwdriver and get in there. There it is right there. Alright. Let's take this down and I'll show you. I've already taken out the other screw. Now, once that's down, I'm going to show you how to do this where you don't break your center console. So, you pull out your two screws. Then, you normally would think this thing slides forward, but it doesn't. It comes straight down. So get it, and just get your fingers under it, and pull down. There's little tabs. So, there's the motor for the sunroof. There's two screws right here that hold it not only in place in the body, but it also holds the motor to the two cables that run. The problem is these become loose, so they fall out. So if it falls out, just find it back in here, stick it in there, tighten it down. This is a 8mm, so you just go in and just tighten them up, stick them in, and then when you're done, make sure you position your clamps. You'll also have to reset your controls, and to do that, just take it all the way down, wait 2 seconds, 1, 2, bring it all the way forward, 1, 2, it's going to go Once that happens, it will reset itself and you're good to go.